I've got 1 bag of the potatoes O'Brien and a 16-ounce container of sour cream. We're gonna put the whole thing in, just like that. We're also gonna be adding a can of, you can use regular mushroom soup, but I've got the mushroom and garlic today. Let's see if it does the same thing. Hey, 2 for 2. Okay, I've got half a stick of butter that's been melted. Pour this all over the top. And I've also got 1 packet of the beefy onion. You can use the regular onion, but I thought I'd make it a little bit beefier flavor today. That goes all on top like that. Little bit of pepper. And a little garlic powder. I don't have actual measurements for this, but I don't know. Garlic's one of those things I never measure. And then I've got 1 pound of ground beef. Whole thing goes in there. And 1 bag, this is a 2-cup bag of Colby Jack cheese. That goes in there as well. Such an easy recipe because you can put it all in the crock pot and set it and kind of forget it. Remember that in the 80s, like they had the guy that was like, set it and forget it? Once you have everything mixed together, got 1 more step left. I promise, this is so easy, it's gonna be such a hit. Okay, flatten this out so it looks nice and pretty. Kind of scrape down the sides. Final ingredient are these French fried onions. Just go ahead and take the whole bag. Actually, I think I'm only gonna use half a bag today. If you have a larger crock pot, you could probably use the whole bag. Then this is gonna go for 2 hours on high or 4 hours on low. Steamy goodness. It's gonna be so good. You can actually serve this as is. You could take this to a party. Go ahead and take a little bit of those hash browns. Bottom, got ground beef. Some of those French fried onions on top, just like that. Kind of scared. Oh, yeah, that's really good. It's oniony. It's like a hash brown casserole, but it's got that French onion flavor in it. You have to make this so, so good.